viewers, I welcome you once again to Isaac Mathematics Clinic. This afternoon, we shall be solving a question on logarithm that looks challenging, but I'm going to make it crystal clear. So let's get it started. The question states, logarithm of q in base a is equal to 5 plus logarithm of b in base a, and c is equal to a raised to power 4. Then show that q is equal to a, b, c. Now, to start with, I want to simplify this. Logarithm of q in base a is equal to 5 plus logarithm in b of base a. What do? We just need to collect like terms. So I want to transfer logarithm of b in base a to the left hand side. So then this becomes logarithm of q in base a minus logarithm of b in base a is equal to 5. Then the next step, according to one of the laws of logarithm, when we are subtracting logarithm of numbers with the same base, what we need to do is to divide those numbers, which I will do now. Then I leave this as logarithm in base a of q divided by b is equal to 5. And what does logarithm of q over b in base a equals 5 means? It means a has to be raised to power of 5 for it to be equal to q over b. So I will leave this one as an equation. I will call it equation 1. Then I want to combine this c is equal to a raised to power 4 with it. Now this c is equal to a raised to power 4 is the same thing as a raised to power 4 is equal to c. C is a raised to power 4. Since this is an equation, a raised to power 4 is also c. I will call this equation 2. Then the next step, for us to be able to link q, a, b, and c, I will divide equation 1 by equation 2. Equation 1 by equation 2. And that will be equal to a raised to power 5 divided by a raised to power 4 is equal to q over b over c. Now, a raised to power 5 over a raised to power 4, according to law of indices, is equal to a raised to power 5 minus 4. You are going to subtract the powers because they have the same base. Then q over b over c becomes q over b, I will change this to division sign, divided by c over 1. Then this becomes a raised to power 5 minus 4, 1. There is no need of writing 1. So I leave this as a is equal to q over b. Then the inverse operation of division is multiplication. Then inverse of c over 1 is also 1 over c. So q over b divided by c over 1 is equal to q over b times 1 over c. Then this becomes a is equal to q times 1, q all over b, c. Then from here, if I cross multiply, q times 1 will give me q, then is equal to a times bc, a, b, c. So this is as simple as this. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow my Facebook page, my Instagram, TikTok. Don't forget to share, comment, and like. Thank you very much. Bye.